So if once you log into FamilySearch, this is the AI assist. What you need to do is you need to scroll down here on the right hand side where it says FamilySearch Labs, and you click on View Experiments. All of these I would encourage you to kind of turn on, but if you're bothered by them, just turn them off. What I would do is just click Try It, and what it's going to do is you're going to see this black button over here where it says Start Experiment. So while it loads up, it's going to search your tree. It's going to look for the names of the tree. So it's going to look for the names of the people that are in the records, and then you just click on one of the records, one of the people, and you're going to have a pane on the right hand side over here. You can actually ask AI questions about this individual. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at the records right here. We're going to click on Francis Daw. Then what we're going to do is right here, you can either look at the record over at Find My Past UK, or you can look at possible tree. When I say attach to tree, then it's going to go. You're going to look at the source linker. On the left-hand side, you have the record. On the right-hand side, you have the tree. And what we're trying to do is we're going to try to see if there's enough information to conclude that this Francis Daw on the record is the same one, represents this Francis Daw on the family tree. So right now I have English. We have two Francis Daws that were born in the same place, and they do have Francis Daw, who was also born, or also was living in the same place. So if all of this is correct, then this is correct. Then there is an individual over here, Arthur Daw, who has a son. So this is kind of generally there is enough information. Sometimes you would want to get an additional information with when you have employment. But I'd say that there is enough information. The fact that they shared birth, death, and location things. So what we're going to do, we're going to add this record to FamilySearch. Then we just hit that plus button, hit attach. Okay, we're going to hit attach. We're also going to do that same thing, hit the plus button, then we're going to hit attach. Then right now we're going to hit add. We're going to add an individual, and often it comes up when you have the names, but for whatever reason it didn't have that. We're gonna mark male, female. The person's deceased. If you don't have records of them being deceased and they are within 110 years, you just mark it as living. So we're gonna go down here. Now that we have all that information, we're gonna click create a new person. Click add, click add, click attach. Now we have a new person. We can do the records. So you can click on this individual. We click ordinances. We click request. These are the individuals that we can request. We do not have a spouse. We cannot do the spouse. You go request. Once we have that, you can go to My Reservations. You can go Filter, Descending. There's Arthur Daw. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go Share. Share with the temple. Share this individual name with the temple, and you can also do this print out the names. You click on that.